We're back. Another video. Here we are again, just a couple of dudes staring at each other. I say dudes because no girls watch my videos, I can promise you that one. Alright, all jokes aside, let's get into the video today. Today's video, real big one, real important. Not really, however, today's video is going to be me changing the transmission fluid on my FK Type R. I have my whole car ripped apart right now. I don't know what the order of the video release is going to be, but if you aren't subscribed, make sure you do that because I got like 4 or 5 videos about to come out with installs and reviews about specific parts. So if you guys don't want to miss that, again, make sure you click that subscribe button below. Helps me out, helps you guys out. And I'm going to keep bringing the FKA content because this car's not going anywhere. So there is a few videos on how to change the transmission fluid on these cars, but I want to make one for you guys and kind of go through it and a step-by-step and give you guys a couple pointers. And I'm also trying to add this to a small video collection on the channel of maintenance, especially with a larger turbo, a little bit more boost, and a little bit more abuse than a stock car. So if you guys would like to see a video on what I would recommend, in my own opinion, on how to properly maintain a car like this so you guys can stay problem-free and continue enjoying it so there's not any downtime with your car, just let me know in the comments. I think I'm going to make it anyways, but if you guys want to see that, just let me know. So enough with the chit-chat. Let's get right into this. Assembly will be a little bit different for everybody depending on what intake system you have. I have a PRL. I already have it out. So if you guys do have a PRL intake, which almost everybody that does bolt-ons on this car already has, you got your two 10mm bolts here and here. You got a hose clamp on your intake. You got a 10mm bolt on the back side of the intake that you can get from the top. And then all it is this little nub. You pull that off, and obviously you need to unplug your MAP sensor. With the intake out, this right here is your fill for your transmission fluid. This is a 3/8 drive, so just the 3/8. There's no socket, you don't need anything, it's just a 3/8 drive. So I got an extension to get down in here, and that is the same as the drain bolt, just 3/8 drive. You also need to take off your under tray. That's super simple. It's 2 Phillips head bolts and I think 6 flathead twist screws. If you still have the OEM plate, some people take it off, but I still have it. All right, so this is what I picked up. Put the link down below. You're gonna need 3 quarts of this. You're only gonna use about 2.5 of the 3 that you buy, and I'll show you guys exactly how to tell when the transmission is full. First, we're gonna take this plug out, the fill plug, then we're gonna get underneath with the catch pan and let it rip. Underneath the car, your drain bolt, it's at the back of the transmission right here. Again, 3/8 drive. All right, so put my crush washer on, put the plug back in when the fluid finished draining, and then to see if the transmission is actually full, we're gonna start with 2.5 quarts, but the easiest way, just to make sure, take this bolt out right here. It's a 10mm, take it out, put your catch pan under it. We should be able to fit 2.5 quarts, but just in case it overflows, you have this open. So we'll put the 2.5 quarts in and then reinstall this bolt. My funnel set up, so just make sure that your funnel is clean so you don't get any debris in there. And let's start with putting a quart in. Plenty of space to pour with the intake here, well, with the intake off. I also got my funnel wedged very nicely in here. As you can hear and quite maybe able to see, I got the about 2.3 quarts in and it started to overflow. So that's when you know you're done. Last step, take your funnel out after you put the bolt back in that we removed for the overflow. And we are gonna put our bolt back in with the new crush washer. And that's it. And then reinstall the intake, put our under tray back on, and it's simple as that. So about, I don't know, half an hour without recording a video. So that could save you guys a decent amount of money. I don't know what a dealership would charge, but either way, it's gonna save you guys some time and money. What do you guys think? Not too bad, super simple. Hope this helps you guys a little bit. I know it can definitely save some money. So these dealerships, man, they be taxing and they be taking forever. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button and follow for more. We got plenty more content coming. The summer's not over yet. So cheers, a little Stella, switching up a little bit. Got to work on the car, have a beer. So we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.